filming the nice flower here in Glenview. So I just make a documentation for the flower blooming. 7 in the morning. So I'm filming the tulips here in Glenview and the other flowers. So I'm doing my update today, guys. Today is already April 27, already 3:30 in the afternoon here in Chicago. So it's already, the weather is keep on changing, guys. As you can see, I'm walking here in the park. There's snowing right now, guys. There's a snowstorm going on right now. See, it's supposed to be spring and then summer, but as you can see, there's snow. That's my documentation for the weather in Chicago, guys. For the past 10 years, this is my first time that Chicago snow in April. This is the second time snowstorm in April, guys. So can't imagine this happening here in Chicago. So summer, hindi na for ang ano, guys, hindi na for ang ano ngayon, hindi na 4 season, 5 season na ang Chicago, guys. Yun ang weather ngayon sa Chicago, 4 season. See, guys, snow. So I don't know what's happening here, guys. The weather is keep on changing. Snow. See, nag-snow ngayon, guys. Wow. Oh, the tulips are very nice, guys. Tulips. So, nag-snow ngayon, guys. So, snowing today. Wow. Whew. Cold. As you can see, guys, it's snow. Tomorrow, like 40 degrees. That's weird. Ang kuan ngayon, weather dito sa Chicago. So yan ang weather dito. That's the second storm in April here in Chicago. During this time. And thank you for watching to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye-bye.